breaking crypto news. I've got a video for you guys. So today, the crypto charts are nuking. We are moving into Q3, and Bitcoin is down from all-time highs of 112,000, and we are down to about 100,000. We haven't dipped below it just yet. This is the recording of this video. It's the time of this. But what's going on today? Well, our parents, the crypto parents, are fighting. You've got Elon Musk and Donald Trump fighting, and the children, you and I, the holders of crypto and stocks and everything with the economy, is dumping, and everything is rough out there right now. But guys, I do want to also say that if you've been watching the Crypto Report for a while now, you guys know, and you should have been prepared for this, what's going on right now, because guys, we are moving into Q3 2025, and Q3, the summertime, tends to be quite bearish, sluggish for price action, especially for crypto. You know, selling may walk away for the traditional market, and for crypto, it tends to be bearish as well. And it doesn't necessarily have to mean like we're going to nuke, but I mean, we are seeing that kind of play out right now, a big drawdown from 112,000 to 100K. But regardless, it's kind of touch some grass season, you know? And I'm going to tell you guys what I'm doing right now. And what I'm doing really right now is, well, yesterday and today, I bought some Bitcoin. If you follow me on Twitter at 333blackc, you saw I said maybe I'm going to go out and buy Bitcoin today. And, you know, the market looked kind of choppy, and I want more exposure. I always want more Bitcoin, guys. You know, I always say this on the channel that I am a altcoin trader and a Bitcoin investor, and that's exactly what I do. I put my money where my mouth is. And now, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I just tell you guys what I'm doing. And what am I doing right now? I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm pretty cautious on altcoins right now because usually in the summertime as well, Bitcoin dominance tends to rally. Now, that being said, I am trading. I'm shorting some alts right now, but really I'm not shorting any Bitcoin. I'm just trying to accumulate more Bitcoin. And if you guys do want to trade as well, I'm sure you've seen some of my 75x trades on Pepe and Dogecoin, some of these other memes. Check out in the description box below or pin comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, and they have a lot of awesome promotions as well. You got to take advantage when this market is really hot. You got to strike that iron while it's hot, guys. And I'm trying to take advantage of that, especially right now. But that being said, guys, don't get distracted. Try not to get too distracted by all the noise. Bitcoin is still here. Bitcoin's here to stay. We're still over $100,000 at the time of the recording of this video. And can we go lower? Yeah, sure. You know, we could go to 94,000 and still maintain bullish structure on the 4-year cycle, in my opinion. I think that we could go test 94K and just kind of spook everybody out through Q3 2025, and then we're back on schedule in Q4 2025 in September, October, November, December, guys. But as of right now, I know the market is spooky and people are getting scared. You know, over on crypto Twitter, the timeline feels like it's like FTX is collapsing. I love how that's like the new litmus test. It's like, is it like when FTX was collapsing? Is everyone panicking and freaking out? The answer is yes. Yeah, it's like FTX. Everyone's freaking out. People are pretty bearish on altcoins right now, and I understand why. You know, altcoins have underperformed for really the past 4 years. Not even since last cycle, we didn't see like a true altcoin season. We saw like a 10% deviation, or I shouldn't say deviation, a 10% breakdown on Bitcoin dominance so far this cycle, but guys, that's nothing, and it was bought back up, and I think that we're probably headed to new highs on Bitcoin dominance, so that's why I am buying more Bitcoin, guys. I'm buying more Bitcoin, and I'm going to continue to buy. You know, I really wanted to emphasize that try not to get distracted. Try not to get distracted by the news and whatnot, especially when you're in the crypto space. Guys, anytime we see a big drawdown, it usually is an opportunity, especially when it comes to Bitcoin. And you look at the traditional market, even Bitcoin as well. When the tariff news came out, we dumped. Everyone said it's all over. It's all over. And we hit $600 on the S&P 500 yesterday after breaking down to the 480. It was a fantastic buying opportunity. And I bought that dip. Now, I know it's hard. It's hard to buy when your stomach hurts, and it's hard to sell when you think that it's going to go to the moon. But guys, there's something that I learned in the past 10 years of being inside the crypto space is you take profit along the way and you buy when it's quiet and when everyone's fearful, especially when it's hard assets like Bitcoin or like the S&P 500 or like big tech even. And sure, there's risks, definitely, but in investing, there's always risks. And if you want to make big money, you have to risk to get that reward, guys. I just want to come out here and tell you guys that hopefully calm you guys down, because I see what this is doing to the crypto space, especially like on crypto Twitter. Like, everyone's panicking. Everyone thinks that it's done, like it's all over. And it's not, guys. Don't get distracted from your strategy. Bitcoin's going to $1 million. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. And as long as Bitcoin holds over like $94,000, I think that we're probably going to hold and maintain that bullish price structure into Q4 2025. Now, if we break below that, that will be an invalidation, and we'll talk about that if the time comes. But as of right now, guys, I'm cautiously optimistic. I am buying some Bitcoin. If you like some content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Check out those awesome links down below. Sign up to Blowfin, get that $5,000 sign-on bonus. Take advantage while this market's hot, guys. I think there's some good shorting opportunities for some altcoins, and or if you just want to buy the dip, you can do it there as well. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.